Alright, it's Monday. We got a few orders to ship. We'll show you how we do it. Yep, sporting the Crocs. We don't have to worry about the four-wheel drive though. Alright, we got some order from David from Northwood, Iowa. We're doing a Dolby Atmos 5.1.4. That just means 9 speakers, not the 0.1 in the middle. That's for a subwoofer. So we're doing the 5 and the 4 on the ends. 4 wall speakers, 4 ceiling speakers, 1 center channel. Turn on. Turn on our weight. Yeah, I can see how these might be a boring video. Well, I'm just gonna keep doing them because you just never know. Plus, a practice for me to do editing and stuff. I think it's going to become more important. Let's see how these work. The girls are in the top. So, what we do, try to eliminate or mitigate shipping problems. Flip this guy over so that one will now sandwich and they'll face each other, so the damage hopefully will be on the corners, and these are the corners that don't have any space in the box. 48,000. It's actually how many orders I've had in over 20 years. It's come from a couple different sources, but that's just every single little order. It adds up, and like, I'm just a single guy, but I've had bigger years and smaller years, and now we're just into kind of home theater years. But yeah, it's been fun, and like, that's a lot of orders. I don't know how that's going. Let's see, this one's in this critical on top, because what we're going to do, again, we're going to put the crush zones in the middle. Hey, you getting the back of my head in there? No, good. Somebody help me how to adjust these so it doesn't do this. I don't know how not to do that. I want that to go like that all the time. There it is again. Can't get that right. And there's going to be a guy that finds this video. His name's going to be Brian Schmidt. I used to bowl with him. He's just going to ridicule this. I did one time. I'm going to send this to you anyway, Brian, because you know you do this. You're just a troll. You're a funny troll, but a troll. I did a Facebook Live with my girlfriend doing a puzzle. And he thought that was the stupidest thing ever, so he always says that. But it's all right. You say it to everybody, and we see you're a troll, but, you know, you're a nice enough guy. Oh, maybe you'll make me famous on the old, on the weather page where we're at. Of course you will. Somebody will make an inappropriate comment that I'll have to moderate. It'll be something, you know, boys, 8-year-olds say on the playground in Estacada. That's an inside joke. Everybody will know once you get there. I love you guys. And girls. This might just turn out to be a personal web page or a personal video. For my friends. You see how I do work? I don't know. Anywho, 11.5. I didn't figure out how much that last one weighed. Why didn't you guys tell me? That's 23. Hey, it's like watching grass grow, right? Okay, that one's done. We got John from Harriman, Utah. I don't know, it could be Harryman, Utah, it could be Herman. I don't know, you guys call it hurricane instead of hurricane. I don't know. Maybe you're not even near there. Dolby Atmos 5.1.4, that's 9 speakers, 4 in walls and 4 ceilings with a center channel in the middle. Okay, now we got 650.1As. We're gonna use this master box. We're gonna tip this up a little bit and do it a different way. Over. As such. £21. We'll do that again. This is 50Ws. Again, just doing these videos for something to do. To show you that actually it's a real person over here, not just a robot putting in speaker boxes at Amazon or something. And we're doing real work, and this is life. What I built when the internet came out. I said, hey, I'd much rather do this than crawl around in attics and crawl spaces and such. That was great. So thank you, internet. Amazon? Well, Amazon, you're trying to kill us. All us little guys. First they did 2-day shipping, so everybody expects everything to get there in 2 days. And for free. Still can't do that, but you do introduce just free shipping everywhere. Nobody realizes all the costs in that, but you pay for it anyway, because that's how the pricing structure works. Same with Amazon, you pay for it. You just don't know. 23, but they're trying to choke us. Just the larger corporate businesses, they clearly it's how they make money. They have to make money. That's their definition of why they're actually in business, is to make a profit for their shareholders. Just the way it goes. So I gotta compete against that. I don't, do anything different other than knowing how to compete. You show me the rules and we'll just do it. So this is what we do. One-man show. We have to do videos. Show you how I work. Some of these are white boxes, you might see. This was just to meet minimum quantity demands in China. It takes minimum quantity, 1,000 pairs a piece, really, to get these. My supplier is nice enough to store these and stock these for me. A nice printout on these, and when the COVID thing hit and all that slowdown was going on, things transitioned. We had Bluetooth coming, so we were selling less speakers throughout the house. These boxes, easy to do, and you can use this cardboard. They just bend these at the factory, so they just make these up as they go, and you can get smaller quantities shipped to us. So 500 minimum quantities is typically what I do. I'm just lucky enough, like I say, to have the right guy to do this manufacturing for me. I used to work for a company that a factory worked for Polk Audio, and so he was the quality control guy there, and then he decided to take his expertise out and invest his own capital when China was doing the business capitals and things. So he's like a small business in China. He just does short run things like this, but of good quality audio brands. And Pinnacle was a brand that he used to apply for, and they went out of business. One of those brands a little more small business. You'd thought they were big, but they weren't. And but they were structured in such a way where they had dealers and distributors and all that stuff. And so I think they felt the pressure of all of that, and of Amazon, maybe, of the different ways that the economy was going, and they died out. He's had a lot of experience with some good brands, and I'm just happy that he can he can help me out. So that's the end of that order. Next up, we got Tim from Las Vegas. Picking up a Pearl 71. That's 7.1 ceiling only. A lot of times guys will do that because you got a mantle or some sort of focus point in the room, so you get all 7 of your speakers in the ceiling, but they're angled. So the front speakers will angle back toward you and kind of getting off that standing wave. If you point it straight down, you can get a bounce that comes right up. So, and also got a subwoofer kit, which I don't ship. That comes directly from OEM Systems, which has been bought out by Audio Source. I don't know if that's public, but nobody's going to watch this anyway, so. So you've noticed all these are packed already, face to face, so the grills don't get damaged. This should keep the integrity of the box pretty good. We're going to flip this over also, back in there. And then put our other reinforcements on top. This is an easy box. $36.2, we rounded up to 37 because that's what UPS does. 7. Okay, Tim, on its way. Another order, Nick. Nick lives in Topsfield, Massachusetts. Topsfield, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to get a TM6W out of this. TM6W is the one that has the upgraded grills. So this is a magnetic grill that just goes over the top. It's super, super thin on the wall. Like, it only comes out like that much. So it looks really nice. Just like the HD series. Up now. So my goal, what I'm trying to do is keep the crush zones. So I'm not necessarily filling this whole box up with material. There's going to be open space here, but the edges, they're going to be able to crush in. So I'm cool with that. 12 pounds. You 683. Thanks, Nick. Shopping is done for today. How does that work? It doesn't look great. Sideways. Double thumbs up. Something like that. We're done. Thanks.